Hey. What up? How you doing? I have to eat this whole shriveled dick because of my mother. Oh, and that's not it, Charles. You want to see what else I have to eat? This hot ass mother freaking jalapeno. Thanks, Mom. Thanks.
So
This is because of you, Mom, and this is because your Chinaman voice that you have.
no, Charles is Chinaman voice. But Charles, let me get one thing straight. He's doing it for you and your buddy James. So James,
You better show James this video.
yeah. So James and you have to sit and watch.
James,
this.
I don't know who the heck you are. I don't know where you come from, but you sure as heck be taking good care of my dad over there. Charles, please show James this video so he can get my message. Eye to eye. Okay.
Say greetings from Canada.
Greetings from Canada.
Show him your shirt.
And the Saskatchewan Roughriders.
That's our what?
Football team.
That suck.
Yeah. Not going there, Mom.
That's why we think green, we bleed green. Yeah. We could
I'm
sing,
piss green.
and we could sing you the Rider song because they are the Saskatchewan Roughriders.
The game. Okay.
Okay, you're gonna eat that shriveled penis.
Shut.
Enjoy.
What are we at for time?
Coffee's hot.
What?
Pop's cold. We're almost at 2 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Just put the whole thing in your mouth and chew it. That's you get the better effect, actually.
What?
I mean, take it off at the tip.
Shut up. That sounds so bad at the tip.
Okay, go.
Mom. Okay.
5 seconds before 2 minutes.
3,
Hurry up.
2, 1. I just ate one of these.
Ram it in your mouth. Hurry up. It's 2 minutes.
Okay.
Hurry up. Now ram the jalapeno in your mouth at the same time. I dare you. For James. Do it for.
No.
Take one for the team. Take one for the military. Which you're never gonna be. Where's the jalapeno? You didn't eat it, so we're no. Jalapeno's right here. Come on. Boy, you're a pussy. Three minutes. Chew faster. Eat this. I'll put hair on your balls. Will. Put hair in places you never even thought of, man. You'll have a new whole terminology for the term bum fluff.